yellow one or the pink one? Wow! Ooh, tea party! Should I have cake or some tea?